Nice to meet you, Andrew.
Sage.
Okay.
It's this one right here.
Okay. You lost it?
Yeah, I lost. My mom lost it.
So what's locking you open it?
What's that? Yeah. I do more mechanics, so I have the lockout kit for her. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
You're the best, bro.
Should we work? We'll see. Learning successful. We turn it off. Lock. Start the car. Lock. The trunk. Yeah. Wait.
That's okay. It's okay.
Is the panic? Yes, sir.
This is 160.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna tap 25.
Okay.
Good? Huh?
I said her other one, she didn't have no panic, so she's doing a little better. Her panic was not working on her last one.
All right.
All right, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome.